It's that super flow, no, she must flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Kali Linux operating system in a VirtualBox. So first, for installing the Kali Linux operating system, you need to download the ISO file where you can directly download it from the Kali Linux official website because it is a freely available source. So click on this link. This is the official page of Kali Linux. So here you can download your needed version. So I have already downloaded a version from here. So let me install it. So first you should install your Oracle VirtualBox in your machine, and then here you should click on new so that you can create a new operating system. Here I want to name it as Kali, and the machine's location, which means virtually installed Kali Linux operating system, will be located in this location in the C drive. So I don't want to change it, and the type of operating system is Linux, and version of the operating system is Debian 64-bit. I have downloaded Debian 64-bit, so my version is 64-bit. Click on next. The memory size is 1024. It is the recommended memory size, so I'm gonna use the same memory size. And here we need to create a virtual hard drive so that where our operating system will be loaded. So I want to create a virtual hard disk now and hit and create. And we should select the hard disk type. So I'm gonna select the VirtualBox disk image. So click on VDI and click on next. And the type of the hard disk, which means dynamically allocated or fixed size. If we go with the fixed size, then it may affect our hard disk size in the current operating system. So I'm gonna go with the dynamically allocated and hit next. So now we should select the size of our hard disk. So I want to make it as 30 GB. So just slide over it. Okay, there we go. And hit on create. So we have created our operating system. Highlight on Kali Linux and click on settings over here. So we can find the settings, all settings over here, and basic settings, name, okay, advanced, okay, description not required. And when we go to the system bar here, and pointing device as a USB tablet, okay, cool. And processor, here my computer consists of 8 CPUs, so I gonna allocate only 2 CPUs to the Kali Linux operating system. You can allocate how many CPUs you require, but it will also affect the current running operating system where I am using a Windows 10 operating system, so it will affect my current running operating system. So I want to make it as a 2 CPUs. And acceleration not required. And display, I want to give a video memory like 64 megabytes, and that's it. And scale factor is minimum. Okay, now coming to the storage type here, controller IDE is a primary controller. Select on this disk symbol here, empty, which is empty. So click on IDE secondary master. Okay, live CD. Click here on the CD image. You can see the mouse pointer. Click on this, and here you need to select the operating system which we have downloaded in the Kali Linux official website. So you should choose it from here, and then here it is. I have downloaded this Kali Linux version of 2018.4, which is of 64-bit operating system. Then open it, and that's it. Okay, now we're gonna start our operating system. To install our operating system, we need to start our machine now. So click on start, wait till it loads, and there we go. Our virtual machine has been started, and it will be directly going into the boot menu. So you can see that. Use your PS2 keyboard controller and hit on graphical installation. Okay, there you go. Okay, it may take some time. Okay, wait. Okay, and select your language, English. Okay, continue. And country, my country is India, so you wanna go with India. Continue. Configure the keyboard, American English. Okay, go. Okay, it is installing the components from the CD. So wait till this process completes. Okay, let me make it a full screen. Okay, let me put the scaled mode as no, what is option? Okay, this window size no. Yeah, here we should configure a machine. Please enter the host name for the system, which is the Kali. I leave it as a default. And domain name, I don't want to put a domain name over here. Continue. And for the root user, we have to create a password here. So I wanna keep a password like Linux. Okay, and we should re-enter the password. Make sure both the passwords are same. And continue. Yeah, it is setting up the clock. And here we need to select the partition where I have previously shown you. I have created a virtual hard drive, so I gonna go with the guided use entire disk, which means this option says use the entire hard drive, which I have created. In my case, I have created a 30 gigabits of hard drive, which is a virtual hard drive. So click on continue, and there you go, 32.7 GB hard drive, which I have created. I have previously shown you. Okay, continue, and separate for the home partition, separate home and temp. So I gonna go with all files in one partition. Okay, continue. Okay, then it will be dividing a 1.1 gigabyte to the swap area and 31.6 gigabyte for our hard drive, where we gonna install our operating system. And please make sure to remember these names here, drive names, and finish partitioning, and click on finish partitioning and write changes to this and click on continue. Here you can see partition 1 is an ext4 type, and partition 5 is a swap area, and here it is asking to write the changes to the disk. Yes, we want to make changes to the disk, so click on S and continue. So there you go, our operating system is installing. This may take time, so I'm gonna pause the video and resume the video when the installation process is actually completed. So let's wait, let's be patient. Okay, here it is configuring the package manager. It will take a couple of minutes. Now it is installing the bootloader. Okay, take a couple of minutes. Okay, warning if the installer failed to detect an operating system. Okay, can be manually configure. Okay, click on as and continue. And this is the place where you need to install your bootloader, so click on continue. Okay, and now it is installing the bootloader. Okay, okay, there you can see our installation is our operating system. The installation of our operating system is completed and it is successful. Now hit on continue to restart your computer. So this will restart your computer after finishing the installation. So where your operating system has been installed successfully. Here restarting of the computer, in the sense the virtual machine which you have created will be restarted. This may take a couple of minutes, so let's be patient. So here you can see the installation is completed, and then here you can see your operating system is successfully installed, and click enter. So you can see your Kali Linux operating system is running successfully in your VirtualBox. There you go. Enter your username. Your username will be root, and your password. In my case, I have set my password as Linux. I have entered my password and click enter. So your Linux operating system will be loaded here. You can see it. Yeah, there you go. Your Linux operating system has been successfully loaded here. You can see it. Yeah, this is Kali Linux operating system, and there you go, the first settings. Let me show you. Here you go. You can see the details of the system, and the memory is 1 GB as we have previously assigned in the system hardware configuration during the creation of your operating system. And processor, which is of only we have assigned 2 CPUs out of the 8 CPUs which are available in my case, and OS name is Kali, and OS type 64-bit, and hard disk space which is of 30 GB. We have allocated 31 GB, and we have taken 1 GB for the swap area, and our hard disk size 30 GB remaining, so you can check it here. So we have successfully installed our Kali Linux operating system here. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.